Hurricane season is upon us, and we know you are prepared, but what about your mobility unit? In this video, we will go over some tips and tricks to keep your mobility unit safe so that it will be ready to use when the sun is shining again. First, it's always good to have a backup battery in place. When you know you may be in the path of this storm, be sure to fully charge your batteries in case you lose power. Next, since the unit may not be in use, disconnect the batteries from the unit. This will keep them from discharging the remaining battery life, and it will ensure that there is no electrical connection between the unit and the battery. Store your mobility unit on higher ground, like a table or chair, especially if you live in a flood zone. If your mobility unit must be stored outside, remove the battery from the unit, keep it at higher ground, tie the unit down if you think it's necessary, and use a scooter cover to keep it as dry as possible. We at AutoMobility Store hope everyone stays safe during this hurricane season. And if you have any other questions on how to keep your mobility unit safe, please give us a call.